Well, I hope everyone's doing well today on this April 2021. And I always like to tell everyone that I'm just a backyard mechanic, so consult a professional. But today I'm going to replace these rollers on my garage door. I've got a Chamberlain Whisper Drive when I put in, well, I had somebody put in when I built the house. It is a belt drive, which is fairly quiet, but one of my technicians has a belt drive and he put the polyurethane rollers in his garage door, and it's so quiet. So I don't know if it's the rollers or the drive itself. I thought these were probably metal, but they appear to be some type of hard polyurethane as well. We'll see. They don't sound a lot different. Just let them up down the track. Yeah, it's a little quieter. We'll see. And my tech, he just bent the he bent the track, he said, and changed his out. But I'm going to take the actual bracket out. It's got a north-south, I guess that's a north orientation. But anyway, the end was up. I just went ahead and marked some spots on the brackets to keep them all lined up. Because they were probably adjusted when the original installer did the work. So we'll put these babies in and see how they do. Let's see, it was a 7/16, I believe, is the socket size for that. Let's try to get a few in and see what she sounds like. Also got another door for reference. Well, it doesn't look like I'll need to really make the marks because I've got 2 sliders and 2 fixed ones, so should be fine without marking them. But I was also reading, because this metal just kind of bounces around and they're metal on metal, you think they do something about that. But I read up on it, and it says either silicone spray or white lithium, a silicone gel, I believe they recommended, but I don't have anything, such a thing, so I guess I'm just going to use some spray. But I guess if I did have a silicone paste of some sort, I would maybe use it on there. I'll look around and see what else I got. Well, about royally screwed up. Read the sign. Here's your sign. Extreme bracket is under extreme tension and can cause serious injury or death. Well, like a dummy, I started, going down all these brackets, taking them out, putting the new rollers in, got down the bottom on this side and unscrewed it with the tension on it. And that was a mistake. I'm getting ready to replace the other one with it in the upright position because in the upright got slack on it, so it shouldn't be a problem. I'll let you know here in just a second when I unscrew it, but I think you definitely want to do the bottom one when it's in the full upright position. Okay, much easier. I've got slack on it. I can push the garage door up up a lot easier without killing myself, maybe pinching a finger. But I was able to take it and pop it out that way, slide it back in. So much easier. Put those bolts back in, and that's my last one. So these old ones are kind of they're not metal, the wheel themselves. We took a razor knife and were able to cut a little bit out of it. So I don't know, maybe I should have just greased things. I don't know if they're a whole lot quieter. This is the one I didn't change. And here's the other one. Yeah. Maybe a little better, but maybe grease would have gone a long ways too. One more time, I'll just go ahead and clean the windows while I got a little platform out here. And it sounds pretty good, so I don't know. I got them off Amazon. They weren't too expensive, so I guess it's all worth it. But anyway, I hope that helps y'all a little bit if you decide to change them, just be cautious of that cable. I've seen one of those break one time on an old wooden door my dad had, 16-footer, and it wasn't pretty. But anyway, hope everybody has a good day. See y'all later.